Hey everybody, welcome back to the VMP Performance channel. My name's JD, I'm our social media and marketing guy here, and today we're talking about Jay's car again. This car was recently featured in a video. You can hit the card up in the top right hand corner where we took the Roush blower off of this car and swapped it for a Gen3R. So it made just a touch over 726 real wheel horsepower with our Gen3R on a 3.4 pulley on 93 octane. Fantastic number on 93, but we're not finished. We're gonna put the VMP return style fuel system in this car, stick it on E85 and see what it does. Keep in mind, still gonna run the 3.4 inch pulley because we just wanna see what it does with the E85. So let's get it up on the dyno, get it strapped down and lay down a number. All right, so with the addition of the VMP return style fuel system and E85 for fuel, this thing just made 782 real wheel horsepower. The reality is we could probably tweak on it a little bit more, get closer to 800, but that's not what we're here for. We're gonna take advantage of the added headroom from the return style fuel system and go ahead and pulley this thing down. Let's get the 3.0 on it and see what it does. So that's a monstrous 850 real wheel horsepower. It's a simple journey, right? This car originally came in with a Roush blower. We've put our Gen3R on it, and we've put our VMP return style fuel system with the appropriate pulley, a 3.0 in this case, to make this power. So if you're interested in stuff like this for your ride, give us a call at 321-206-9369 or shoot us an email at sales@vmpperformance.com. And as always, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. We'll see you in the next video.